In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo slider to your Google Sites page. This is a fantastic way to make your site more engaging and visually appealing. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to locate the image carousel option. To do this, navigate to the editor view of your Google site. Once you're there, look for the image carousel button, usually found in the main toolbar. Clicking on image carousel is your first step to initiating the photo slider feature, which is integral for showcasing multiple images in a neat and interactive way. Next, after you've clicked the image carousel, look for the plus icon within the menu. Clicking this plus icon allows you to add images. It can typically be seen near the image selection area, and this is your gateway to uploading the images that you want to feature in your slider. Now, having clicked on the plus icon, the next step involves uploading your images. You'll see an upload image option that you need to click on. This is where you'll select the images from your computer. Be sure to choose high quality images that can grab the attention of your visitors. Once you've made your selections, you'll be all set to prepare your photos for display. After selecting your images, it's time to tweak the settings. Look for the settings icon associated with the image carousel. Clicking this will expose you to various customization options. Here you can adjust parameters to ensure that your carousel operates just the way you want it to. One important setting you might want to consider is the auto start feature. By clicking on auto start, you're enabling the slider to automatically transition between images. This feature enhances the user experience by keeping your visitors engaged without requiring any manual intervention, so make sure you activate it if seamless display is what you're aiming for. Lastly, after you've fine-tuned all your settings, it's time to finalize everything by clicking on the Insert button. This effectively adds the image carousel to your Google site, making your changes visible to everyone who visits your page. Remember, you can always revisit these settings to make adjustments as needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a photo slider to your Google site. This addition not only spruces up your site, but also provides visitors with an interactive and engaging experience. Experiment with different images and settings to keep your content fresh and appealing. Thanks for watching.